Morty, give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright, What's up, my Barbies and Kansas? It's your girl Kendra Doll, and I'm back with another video. I know I don't look all dolled up, but your girl just woke up not too long ago. It's my sister, y'all. She smells like weed.
I'm finna be a whole new.
Y'all see the sheet? I gotta give me a new, what is that called? I'm really trying to think about what is that called. Curtain! But yeah, from the beginning, a silk press today. A silk press today. But yeah, so we're gonna take y'all with me. And we're gonna be doing a vlog today. And y'all just gonna run with me. This is gonna be our first vlog for my channel. Please don't mind that hair, that looks so good though. But yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get there. Peace! We're finally in the car. We're gonna go waiting on my sister to get in the car. And yeah, gonna go get this silk press. It's gonna be silky, silky. And I'll just come back to y'all when we are there.
This my cousin, y'all. Oh no.
Sure did.
Don't nobody care about your hair, girl.
Period. You
Nobody
said
care about your hair, girl.
You came to the right person. I've been like,
So this is my cousin, y'all. He take new clients, okay? Because I know you see this silk press, HBM silk press. If you don't know that, that's Everybody Michael silk press, okay?
Period.
Tell them your tags.
My IG at @hairabout_Michael and my CHAEL.
Period.
Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. We finna go out to eat. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with another video soon. So make sure y'all do all of that.
your AC turned
And
on? No, it don't really start cooling off till you start moving.
you see it. Make sure, I'm gonna leave all my cousin information in the description box below.
Mine come right on.
So make sure y'all go book with him if y'all do. He does more than just silk presses and all of that good stuff. So just go check him out. I'm gonna leave all his stuff in the description box. I'll check back in with y'all on the next video. See y'all. And that's all.